Search for people and schools trained under your organization or country. People trained in workshops. This link opens a list of teachers and other GLOBE community members that were trained by you or members of your organization. Be sure to search under the correct organization if you belong to more than one parent organization. Filter your search by using the drop-down menu or advanced filter. You can also view training records and send emails to past workshop participants. Schools with people trained at workshops. This link opens a list of schools associated with teachers that were trained at workshops created by you or someone in your organization. Search under the correct parent organization and use the search filters just as you did in the People Trained at Workshops section. The school list includes the school name, workshop organization, and the workshop creator. If you click on the organization name, it will open a window to show the teachers in that school. You can also identify schools with the most workshop participants to find active GLOBE schools.